Yeah, so we're back here at the old, this was something about ages ago. The other one's called Coent stuff. So there's actually a house up here there. I think it was like an old doctor's house or nurse's quarters, I'm not sure, but let's see if I can have a look. I don't know if anybody even lives there. But if he does, I'm gonna have a look anyway. Oh, I think somebody actually lives there. Okay, so somebody's living in that house now. This is all the old hospital, so it's the old entranceway into it. The old gateways and stuff, the old light. So I was gonna go show you a house, but there's people living there. So that ain't gonna happen. It's pretty cool though. There we go. Up there is like the hospital and stuff. Part of it. So they just can't pull down part of it, I heard, because of asbestos. It's like full of asbestos in the second half. It's kind of good for me, it means I got sort of a chance to get to. But I wanted to show you this old nurse's house, but she can't because it is occupied. They've chained up all these little gates and stuff. Pretty cool, it's an old nurse's house anyway. So this side's a no-go. It's not that bad now. Shit. It's not really that bad now. Does it? The worst storming ever now. Might get worse again. Moist.